Hey everyone, my name is Ariel if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this look I have on my face. I used mostly the Balm Cosmetics, and honestly I thought that this was going to be just like the Balm Cosmetics type of look only, but I forgot the lip and the mascara. Everything I tried on today was basically a first impression because I had never tried them before. Initially I wanted to do the foundation, like the whole deal, but as I was trying the foundation I was like, hold up, this needs its own video. So I probably already posted that already. If you haven't checked that out, I will leave it in the description box below. But yeah, if you wanted to see how I got this look and learn about some of the Balm Cosmetics products, then just keep on watching and I would love to show you how. So I have my foundation on, and as I'm sure that I already mentioned, if you wanted to see the full review of this foundation, go ahead and check out my last video, of course, when you're done with this one. So jumping into more of the balm stuff, I haven't put on concealer yet because this is just too dark. Like, you can tell off the bat that it is, and this foundation is just too light, but the next one up was going to be too dark for me, so whatever, champagne problems. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use it to spot treat my little uninvited guests on my face. Yeah, way too dark for my face, for my under eyes, I feel. And honestly, this is not the type of concealer that I would put in my under eyes. Down the bridge of my nose. So now I'm just going to conceal my under eyes with the Origins Plantscription Concealer in Light. I do have a review on this up already, so go check it out if you haven't. I'm honestly a little scared of setting my face, so I'm just going to use this Sexy Mama Anti-Shine Translucent Powder from them. I have purchased this all in the same order, and I have never tried any of these products, so this is all first impressions. Go over my eyes. And again, this is translucent powder. Ooh, no glitter, just this little sheen. I love it. I just don't really love this foundation that much. Thank goodness we have gotten to this part because I am tired of seeing my face like this. This is the Take Home the Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzer. This is what it looks like, and they do come with little mirrors. Although it says anti-orange, I'm like getting some very strong, warm vibes from this. We'll see what happens. We're gonna pat, dust. Super warm vibes. I bronze right on the sides of my, what is this called? Cow's Lick, Widow's Peak, whatever. And all the way down here, baby, because this is definitely too light for me, which never usually happens. Like, I'm always on point with my shades, but there was only like 8. I am going to contour my nose with this. I know I haven't in a really long time, I feel like. So I'm gonna do a little light contour. Finally, we're going to go in with blush. This is the Hot Mama blush. I'm going to dip my brush in, and I'm just doing it ever so lightly. Putting it right on the apples of my cheeks, and then I kind of like just flick it away. I'm building it, but I just feel like it's more of a soft highlight kind of deal. All of these do come in little slips like this. I toss them away. For highlight, I bought the Dumanizer Squad Liquid Highlighters. I've never tried the powder ones, but I don't know why I chose this over the other. So the shades are Mary Dew, Cindy Dew, Betty Dew, and Bonnie Dew. So this one is Honey Hued, this one is a Peachy Pink, this one is a Sun Kissed, this one is a Gilded Glow. It's only right if I swatch them on the back of my hands. Ooh. So this is Mary, Cindy, Bonnie, and Betty do. And this is what they look like. I'm really not much of a pinky highlight person, so I feel like I could get away with it, as well as Bonnie. Bonnie looks really pretty. So I'm actually just gonna draw about 3 dots, 4, maybe 5. Now I'm gonna wait to do the other side just in case these set fast. And with finger sponge, sponge. With the sponge, what in the world? You guys, it's been 2 seconds. What is going on? It should honestly not be that hard to blend with a sponge. Like, it really shouldn't. It looks awful. Oh, this has so much potential. I'm upset. Other side, I might as well. What if I do it really quick? Like, a streak? You gotta work with these. Ooh, these do not layer well. No. This has never happened to me. Oh my god. Oh boy. I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of disappointed in these. No, I am disappointed in these. It shouldn't be that hard to work with them, and if I had a brush, like, it would just be crazy. I literally had to draw one swoop and then like 2 seconds later, because if not, it just... If the lighting behind me is changing a bit, it's because the sun is going down. It's freezing cold. That's how you already know winter's here. As far as eyeshadows go, because everything was 50% off, I got a couple of different things, so I'm going to share them with you. This is the Meet Matchmaker palette, and I thought it was so freaking cute. It has a mirror, and this is what they look like. So every single one, it's like a matchmaker. Oh, get it? And I think that this would be awesome for anyone who's like on the go, needs it super quick, needs to do their makeup on the train, blah, 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 whatever. Because everything is just so conveniently just like tied together. You don't really have to think it through too much. I also picked up their long wearing eyeshadow stick in the shade... This is the shade Outfield, and I'm actually not surprised with myself because it's probably a deep olive green. I was right. As well as these 3 single shadows. This is number 2. They're numbers. Number 2, number 4, and then this is number 44. I feel like this winter I definitely experimented with cool tones more, and that's why I bought this brown, because I felt like I didn't have one that was cool tone. And my daughter is 3. She likes picking up a blending brush, dipping it into the black shade from the Soft Glam palette, and she likes putting it as blush on her cheeks. I mean, I don't stop her. Let her do her thing. But she's like, Mom, I'm putting my blush. All right, so here we go. Let's break it down. I'm gonna put matte Limos everywhere. Everywhere. This mofo is going everywhere. I'm going to get some of Matte Stupak. Where are these people from? I want to know. Putting that in my crease. Ooh. I'm going to take some of Kate Chavarin and put her, ooh, super pretty, on my lid. Whoa, this is like almost foily. Imagine if I wet this. Do you want to? I'm just gonna wet this brush, flat shader brush, and just to see what happens. I want to pick up the shade. Nina, get out of the garbage. Don't mind this highlight. We'll look past it. I'm picking up Matte Chavarin, which is that super pretty like reddish pinkish shade. And I'm going to focus that out here, bub. Out in the outer V. Something I realized that I do is I always overpower my crease shade with my outer V shade. Do you do that too? When you want to do those like final blending details, always hold your brush by the end of the handle. That way you're not being like too aggressive and you're literally just blending. I'm just going to quickly line my eyes with this Wet n Wild. Whoa, this is deep concentration. This is their skinny tip eyeliner. So what I'm going to do is put some of the skinny mascara from Wet n Wild on my lower lashes, and then the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara on my upper lashes. Because I want a little extra shine on my inner corner, I'm going to pick up literally a dot of it on this brush. And this is the Cindy Luminizer. I feel like this is honestly the most use I'm going to get from them. I'm going to apply some of this light liner in my inner waterline. I love how this has like a goldish tint because I love gold eyeliner. I love it. For my lips, I'm going to use this lip liner from CYO Cosmetics in Tripper. It's like all busted up, so I'm not even going to open it. And then I'm going to use Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in gold. It's their Velvet liquid lipstick, which is actually my favorite formula that I've tried so far. If you were to ask me to choose between the matte regular liquid lipsticks and the velvet ones, I would definitely choose the velvet ones because they're just so much more comfortable. I forgot how much I love this lip liner. It's CYO Cosmetics, but I feel like CYO Cosmetics and Sleek Cosmetics are basically the same thing. I mean, correct me. I'm actually going to try to use some of this Kate shade as my Cupid's bow highlight. So that wraps up this whole first impression slash the Balm Cosmetics, one brand slash not really type of look. Overall, I just feel like I have to keep on playing with all of their stuff just because I'm not like wowed or feel like it's kind of worth the price. I wish I would have fallen in love with this highlight. Like, yes, it looks good here, but to apply it was just crazy. I've never experienced that before, so that was like, hold up, girl. I do think if anything, I'll continue to use those liquid highlighter drops as like inner corner highlights or anything where I don't really have to move it much. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you like videos like this where I try out like a one brand kind of thing, first impressions, you know? I feel like I did that recently. I don't know what brand, but I'm going to leave it in the description box below if you do like videos like these because I have a few. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. What are you doing? What are you doing? Click that bell button, that way you get notified whenever I do post a video, which is every Thursday and Sunday. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate the time that you take out of your day to watch one of my videos, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye. Eyebrows. I got the Meet Matte